This is Michael Lukes from How to Liveable. Today I'm going to show you how to invite your LinkedIn connections to follow your business page. And this is different than a group. Make sure you go to the business page first. You can search in this bar here and then make sure to click on businesses, or you can click on your me and then it should be under manage. You can find the company pages and your groups there. So click on the company page. Once you're here, which is what this will look like, you can scroll down and there's several different ways you can do it. You can share your page, which then will allow you to share in a post or a message. People can follow from there, or more directly, you can invite your connections. So click on invite connections, and then this will show all of your LinkedIn network, and you can then decide who you want to send invites to follow your company page. Now, important thing to remember here is there are credits on LinkedIn for how many people you can invite to like a business page. It doesn't matter if it's just one business page or many, you have a certain amount of credits. So I've used 100 credits. And so each month they'll renew those. Mine will be renewed June 1st, so then I can invite more. So you can do up to 100 a month unless you have a premium subscription on LinkedIn. But this is where you can select people, click invite, and then send there. So that's how to invite people to like your company page on LinkedIn. If you have any questions, please do ask below. If this has been helpful, please give us a like and consider subscribing to the How to Liveable channel. Thank you.